Good morning students, myself Jyoti Tiwari and I am teaching you chapter life processes. Okay, so today's topic is excretion. Okay, so what do you mean by excretion? Excretion means removal of metabolic waste, example nitrogenous waste, urea or uric acid from the body is called excretion. Means whenever we utilize food, okay, food is broken down into small organic components, and from those small organic components there is formation of few waste products like carbon dioxide, urea or uric acid, which are not useful for our body, are removed by the body. Such process is called excretion. Okay, so which organ is responsible for excretion? Kidney. Our excretory system is responsible for the excretion process. It is very important system of our body. Okay, so where this system located? This system is located in our abdominal region. Okay, so where is abdomen region? In our this region. Okay, abdomen region. So let's study first the structure of kidneys. Okay, so there is two kidneys, right kidney and left kidney. From these kidney there is renal artery coming. There is renal artery and there is also vena cava. It is vena cava. It is renal artery. Okay, and it is left ureter and it is right ureter. Okay, and this is our urinary bladder. This is urethra. Okay, so actually I want to go one by one, step by step about the function of kidney, so you can understand its structure very well. Okay, so in kidney there is presence of nephron. In kidney there is presence of nephron. Okay, so what does nephron do? How is its structure? Actually nephron is cup-like structure called Bowman's capsule and consists of tubular part. You can see that there are lots of tubule and it will confusing you now. I will explain you. Okay, so you can see that there is afferent arteriole. What? Afferent arteriole. See, renal artery I have told you, and vena cava. So afferent arteriole bring impure blood from your body and supply it to Bowman's capsule region. In Bowman's capsule region, the impurities are filtered. Impurities go in that region. Impurities come to the capsule. Okay, it does function like of filtration. So it filter whatever impurities present in the blood of afferent arteriole. Okay, so when impurities come to the Bowman's capsule, the blood becomes pure and it goes through afferent arteriole. Now this is called afferent arteriole to the body. And I have shown you afferent arteriole by dark color. Afferent arteriole by dark color. It carries pure blood and supply it to our body. And there is a tube which I didn't say it here. There is a tube. Okay, this tube is called proximal convoluted tube. It actually carries impurities and takes it and move like this. Where it is situated? It is inside kidney. All these nephron is situated in kidney, and all these filtration taking place inside kidney in the nephron. Okay, so it carries impurities like urea, uric acid, glucose and many more things. And few of things, if it is important for our body and by chance come to this region, get revert back to the afferent arteriole. Like glucose, amino acid, few come by chance and it is important for our body, get diffused in efferent arteriole, and this efferent arteriole takes the blood to the body and it carries pure blood. Efferent arteriole bring impure blood. Okay, and after that the impurities coming like this. Okay, coming like this. This part is called distal convoluted tubule because it is the end of nephron tube. Distal convoluted tubule, and these impurities collected in the collecting duct. These impurities collected in the collecting duct, and the collecting duct convert the impurities in the urine form. So the substance remain here is urine, which is flow out. Okay, so where does this urine go now? This urine is transported to the ureter, okay, and get stored in the urinary bladder, and when this urinary bladder filled, you feel urination feeling, and urine goes out or removed from urethra. Okay, from urethra. So I think now you have understood what is excretion, where does it occur, and how does it occur in human body. Thank you. I will continue this chapter in next lecture video.